Bro, ever notice how it just takes one flat tire, one broken iPhone, or one random doctor bill to wreck your whole paycheck? It's like life throws curveballs right when your wallet's already weak. One tiny thing and boom, you're scrambling, stressing, and watching your bank account cry. We're sold this dream, right? Like swipe your credit card, but now pay later. Don't worry, you'll figure it out later. But reality check. Most of us are literally one emergency away from financial disaster. The system low-key wants you broke. Banks cash in on your chaos. Credit card companies throw parties every time you swipe when you're broke. That isn't just normal to them, it's their business model. Here's the twist: what if I told you being broke isn't just bad luck? Nah bro. It's designed that way. The game is rigged. And you're not supposed to win if you keep playing by their rules. You grind all week, but it feels like you're stuck on repeat like a bad Spotify loop. One step forward, 2 steps back. Paycheck gone before the month's even halfway. Frustrating doesn't even begin to cover it. And here's the scary part: if you don't break the cycle, 5 years from now you'll still be stuck paycheck to paycheck. That's not just annoying. That's dangerous. 'Cause living broke forever, that's no way to live, bro. So, what if the secret to breaking free is just $1,000? What's up guys, Sam here. And welcome back to Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. If you're serious about leveling up your money game, hit that subscribe button right now. Quick note, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Today, we're diving into Dave Ramsey's famous $1,000 rule from the Total Money Makeover, why it works, how to actually pull it off, and the traps to avoid. Stick around, because I'm gonna break it down step by step and you'll see why ignoring this rule could cost you thousands. Yo, before we dive deep into money hacks, let's start with the most slept on rule out there, the $1,000 rule. Dave Ramsey says your first step ain't about investing. It's about building the safety net first. Trust me, this move keeps you from crashing when life throws a curveball. Think of it like this: you wouldn't drive a car without a spare tire, right? Same with your money. That $1,000 is like your backup wheel when life pops your financial tire. Why $1,000 though? 'Cause that's usually enough to cover the small disasters like a car repair, a doctor visit, or when your phone decides to die at the worst time. But here's the real power: it's not just about money. Having that $1,000 tucked away gives you peace of mind. You don't freak out every time life throws shade your way. Here's the kicker: it saves you from panic swiping your credit card or begging family for cash. Instead of stress, you've got options. And that feels powerful, bro. So imagine this: life hits you with a flat tire or a busted fridge, and instead of stressing, you just handle it. No debt, no drama, no calling mom for rescue. That's the freedom the $1,000 rule gives you. Bro, here's the deal: 57% of Americans can't even handle a $1,000 emergency. That's like your car breaking down, your iPhone screen shattering, or a random doctor bill, and boom, you're broke. That's not just stressful, it's dangerous for your future. Look, $1,000 isn't about bailing out, it's survival mode. It's that cushion that keeps you from swiping the credit card and sinking deeper in debt. Think of it like your financial spare tire. You hope you don't need it, but when you do, you're thankful. And yo, it's not impossible. If you stash just $20 a week, you'll hit that $1,000 mark in less than a year. That's like trading one hoodie drop for actual peace of mind. Think about it: skip one Uber Eats order a week. That's like $30 or $40 saved. Over time, that small choice stacks up huge. It's the little swaps that make the big wins. Here's the harsh truth: without this cushion, small emergencies snowball. A flat tire turns into a credit card swipe, then interest, then a cycle you can't escape. That's how people get trapped in money stress forever. So bottom line, bro, it's not about being rich tomorrow. It's about making sure one bad day doesn't wreck your whole life. Start small, stay consistent, and let that $1,000 be your shield. Imagine this: you're driving and your car breaks down on the side of the road. Normally, that's full-on panic mode, right? But this time, you just pull from your emergency stash, handle it, and keep rolling like a boss. That's the difference: no stress meltdown, no freaking out. Just calm confidence because you know you're covered. It's like flipping the script on life's curveballs. And here's the best part: you stop feeling like the world is out to get you. Money emergencies don't control your mood anymore. You start controlling your own vibe. You know what that feels like? Freedom, bro. Like life's no longer holding you hostage to your bank account. You can breathe easy again. And yeah, it's not millions in the bank, but it's safety. It's that safety net that keeps you from crashing when life throws you off balance. That alone feels priceless. This $1,000 rule is like laying the first brick on your financial empire. Small, yeah, But it's the foundation for something way bigger. You're not just surviving, you're building your freedom brick by brick. Society's always like, bro, just put it on a credit card, deal with it later. But here's the reality: by the time you're done paying interest, that $100 hoodie costs you $300. It's a trap dressed up like freedom. First trap, thinking $1,000 isn't enough. So why even start? That's like saying, why bring a water bottle if I can't drink the whole ocean? You start small because small is what saves you. Second trap, treating your emergency fund like free spending money. That fund isn't for sneakers or late night Uber Eats, it's your shield when life swings at you. Mess that up, and you're wide open. Third trap, waiting until you make more money to start. Truth is, if you can't save with a little, you won't save with a lot. Habits beat paychecks every single time. See, the world sells you shortcuts, but they're actually traps. The real flex isn't swiping a credit card, it's having control. That's where real freedom starts. At the end of the day, you don't need a bigger paycheck, you need better habits. Start stacking small wins now, and you'll realize money doesn't control you anymore. You're the one driving. First move, cut cost, bro. Look, those random subscriptions you forgot about, they're draining you. Swap Uber Eats for home cooking, and you'll be shocked how fast cash stacks up. Next up, side hustles. Think Uber, DoorDash, freelancing, or flipping sneakers online. It's like adding a booster engine to your wallet. The snowball method is a game changer. Sell your old sneakers, that Xbox collecting dust, or anything you don't use. Turn clutter into cash. Easy win. Here's a hack: keep your emergency fund in a separate account. Out of sight, out of mind. That way, you don't accidentally spend it on Friday night plans. But here's the discipline check: you only touch this cash for real emergencies. Flat tire? Yep. Medical bill? Yep. Concert tickets? Nah, bro, that's on you. Stack these moves and boom, you've got your first $1,000. It's not about flexing. It's about building a safety net so life surprises don't wreck your vibe. Dave Ramsey once said, you can't build wealth until you stop being broke. That hits deep, bro. Like before you flex investments, you gotta stop drowning in debt and patch the leaks first. Most guys spend first, save what's left. But Warren Buffett flips it: spend what's left after saving. That's the move, bro. That's how you actually get ahead. Stacking your first $1,000 is more than just cash, it's proof. Proof you can boss up your money. Not let money boss you. That's a whole mindset shift. It's not really about the money, bro, it's about building that discipline muscle. If you can stack 1K, you can stack more. It's training for bigger wins. Don't wait on the perfect time. Spoiler, it doesn't exist. Start today. Even if it's just $10. Someday doesn't build wealth, today does. So here's the challenge. Prove to yourself you can stack $1,000. Not tomorrow. Not next week, start right now. Future you will thank you big time. Alright, so you've stacked your first $1,000. That's huge. But listen, this is just the warm-up round. The real game? Building a bigger safety net that can handle life's curveballs without knocking you out. Next mission, stack up 3 to 6 months of your expenses. That's when you stop stressing about car repairs, rent, or even losing a job, because you know you've got the runway to land safely. Now, once that's rolling, it's time to kill your debt, smallest to biggest. Knocking out those little ones first gives you momentum. Like stacking wins in a video game until you're unstoppable. And yo, don't rush into investing yet. If you're drowning in debt, investing is like trying to swim with weights on your back. Clear the debt first. Then you'll be free to let your money actually work for you. Picture this: you no debt, savings stacked, and your money out there multiplying while you chill. That's the future you're building every time you choose discipline over impulse. So yeah, that first $1,000. It's not the finish line, it's just your first checkpoint. Don't stop here, because the adventure only gets better the further you go. So we broke down Dave Ramsey's $1,000 rule, why it matters, how to build it, and the traps to avoid. This one move can literally flip your money story. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. What would you do if you had a $1,000 emergency fund right now? Let's get a real conversation going. You're watching Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. Take control of your money so your money stops controlling you. Catch you in the next one. Peace.